In SEO, every web page has an address where it lives on the internet. This is called a URL. A well-structured URL can improve your search rankings and make your site easier to navigate. In this video, we will break down what a URL is and how it affects SEO. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It's the unique address that points to a specific web page, image, or file on the internet. A URL typically has four parts: protocol, HTTPS, domain name, path, and sometimes parameters. Each part plays a role in locating and delivering the right page to the user. For example, in https://www.example.com/blog/SEO tips. HTTPS is the protocol. Example.com is the domain. /blog/SEO-tips is the path to the page. Search engines read URLs to understand your page content. A clear, keyword-rich URL can improve relevance and ranking, while a messy one can hurt SEO. Use lowercase letters, separate words with hyphens, keep them short, and include your target keyword without overstuffing. Avoid long strings of numbers, unnecessary parameters, capital letters, and special characters. They confuse both users and search engines. Static URLs stays the same and are easy to read. Dynamic URLs change based on parameters. Static URLs are generally better for SEO. Using HTTPS in your URL means your site is secure, which is a Google ranking factor and builds user trust. The best URLs are short, descriptive, and tells both users and Google what to expect before clicking. A URL is more than just a link. It's a crucial part of SEO. Keep it clean, relevant, secure, and easy to read to boost your rankings. Now that you know how important URLs are for SEO, start optimizing yours today. For more SEO tips and tutorials, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for updates.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.